What's going on with KidFit at Premier Fitness? Let's hear from instructors Kylie Burke and Moses Smith. Hey Kylie, tell us what parents and kids can expect during the hour-long classes at Premier Fitness Mondays and Wednesdays.
KidFit's main goal is to introduce your kids into the fitness world, along with health, teach them things that they wouldn't learn in PE, have fun with it, do different classes, we'll have different specialties. So if we have enough kids, we'll be doing relay races, we'll be playing basketball.
Moses, tell us a little bit more about what you're doing down at Lakeshore Park on Saturdays.
This is a great program to bring your kids. You know, we basically do a lot of agility work. We do running exercises. We try to keep it a lot of cardio, strength-based. Try to, promote fitness when we're at the park.
KidFit classes are held at Premier Fitness on Mondays and Wednesdays at 5:30 p.m. and at Lakeshore Park on Saturdays at 9 a.m. In the event of bad weather, the Saturday classes will be moved to Premier Fitness. The cost is $5 per class, and reduced pricing is available to families with more than one child participating. Registration and payment should be made in advance of the first class. For more information, call Premier Fitness at 440-998-3488 or visit www.acmchealth.org/KidFit.